With the XT30, the panel requires a separate wireless receiver to utilize 1100 series wireless devices. With the XT50, a built-in wireless receiver can communicate to 1100 series wireless devices. An additional high-powered receiver can be connected if needed. If using an XT50's built-in wireless receiver, attach the antenna to the right terminal and program a house code to enable wireless communication. Before installing a wireless receiver, make sure that the XT panel has programmed a house code. This enables the receiver to detect wireless devices. Choose a centrally located position between the XT panel and the 1100 series transmitters. Connect the red, yellow, green, and black wires to the panel terminals of the wireless receiver. Then connect the other end to the keypad bus on the XT panel. With the house code programmed, the XT panel will immediately recognize the wireless receiver. Before mounting, use a wireless transmitter to perform an LED survey of the area. Once a proper connection has been established and a permanent place has been chosen for the wireless receiver, use one of the provided screws to secure the wall tamper and use the included number 6 screws to secure the wireless receiver to the wall. That's how to install a wireless receiver to an XT series panel.